Hello, y'all. My old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back here with another YouTube video here for y'all. I'm continuing my segment here this month on Black History Month. Foods I love here. Today I'm going to be doing a food that I grew up cooking in the restaurants when I was in college. And I worked at the Elite Cafe in Waco, Texas on the Circle, which is still there today. And I worked the breakfast shift, but after breakfast was lunch. And this was one of the biggest sellers, was chicken fried chicken. I've always made chicken fried steak, but I never heard of chicken fried chicken. I was 19 years old, 18 matter of fact. So I never cooked chicken fried chicken. The only chicken I ever cooked was on the bone. So I fell in love with this at an early age. So it's a very simple recipe. I'm gonna do exactly like we did at the restaurant. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I got 4 chicken breasts here that's flattened down. I'm pounding them down just slightly, not too. You don't want to pound them too thin because they'll dry out. So turn them over here. Season the other side. Like I said, I always use kosher salt and white pepper. Been using that for years. Okay, like that. Now we're gonna do the wet flour method. Meaning I'm gonna do flour. What I got in here is buttermilk and egg. I got 1 egg and about 2 cups of buttermilk. And that's gonna be my wet part. So put the flour in here, into the egg mixture, and back into the flour. Very simple. Very simple. And into the grease. Make sure it's coated really, really well. And into the oil. That's it. It's like frying chicken. No bones. Go into the buttermilk. Back into the flour. There we go. Into the grease. Another one here. Buttermilk and egg. Flour again. Just gonna give it a nice thick coating. Nice thick coating. Got one little more piece here I'm gonna do. It should fit in there perfectly. Okay. Put that one right in the edge there. All right. Wash your hands here. Like I say, it's very simple, and I'm gonna make some skillet gravy when this is done. Let that cook. You're gonna brown it on each side, and y'all know how I like to do. I like to finish my stuff in the oven to preserve the natural color of the chicken after it's fried. I don't like a dark presentation. You're gonna let that cook. I'm gonna let that cook, and I'm gonna be right back here. I'm gonna clean up a little. Be right back when I turn these over, and we'll start the next process. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, these are about ready to turn over. Let's cook them like 2 minutes on each side. So we're gonna turn these over. See how golden brown that is? That's what you want. Look at that. Turn this one over. That's what you want. Nice golden brown. Get this little bitty one there. There we go. Nice golden brown color. We're going to let that cook on about 2 minutes on that side. We're going to take them out. I'm going to drain some of this oil out of here. We're going to make an actual gravy right in the skillet. While I have these in the oven cooking off, when the gravy's ready, I'm taking them out of the oven. Put the gravy on there with some mashed potatoes. We got one hell of a dish. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back again here. Okay, these are ready to come out. I'm gonna put them on my sheet pan here. Look how beautiful these are. Look how pretty those are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these in the oven, let them cook another they say about 5 more minutes they need to cook off. While that's doing that, I'm gonna pull some of this oil out of here. I wanna keep that good stuff in the bottom. See all that good stuff right there? I want that. So we can make some good gravy here. Okay, remember that flour that I had to break the chicken? I'm gonna use the same flour to make my roux for the gravy. A little bit more. Very simple. A little bit more. There we go. Okay. We'll brown that off, cook that flour in there just a little. Now we're gonna put our milk, add our milk in here. There we go. Making gravy is so simple, so easy. So easy. Add a little salt and pepper. This is the only time you'll see me use black pepper when I make a cream gravy. A little black pepper in there. A little bit more milk. Milk. I want it thick, but I don't want it too thick. Oh yeah. A little bit more milk. That's why you add your milk little at a time, baby. You don't want to get it too thin. You can't thicken it back up without adding more flour, and that'll defeat the purpose of cooking the flour taste out of it. So it's always to make it too thick, and you can always thin it out as you need it. So I'm gonna taste it, make sure it has enough seasoning. A little bit more salt in it. And a little bit more pepper. Black pepper in there. Like I said, it's the only time you'll see me use black pepper pretty much when I make a good gravy. And that's it. It's done. See that? See how easy that was? Okay, I'm gonna let this sit here. The chicken got about 5 more minutes. And when we come back, we're gonna plate the chicken up. I got some mashed potatoes here that I cooked earlier. We're gonna put it on there and we're gonna plate it up and we're gonna taste it and see how it is. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, let's check our chicken here. Oh yeah, chicken is ready. Nice and crispy. Okay, now we're gonna plate this thing up here. Let's get our mashed potatoes here first. The mashed potatoes here in the back. There we go. The mashed potatoes there. Now, get our chicken. Chicken here that we cooked earlier. Lay that right there. Nice piece right there. Okay, and then my gravy here. Get a spoon for this one here. We're gonna spoon this one right on there. Gravy right on top of that chicken. Look at that, look at that. Can't go wrong with that, huh? Can't miss that last little piece of chicken there. Look at that. Does that look awesome? Does that look good enough to eat? Look at that. I'm gonna let that cool just slightly. I'm gonna be right back and we're gonna taste this and see how it is. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, let's taste this thing here. Let me get this little piece right here on the edge. See, the chicken's perfectly cooked. Got a little gravy on there, mashed potato. Shoot. Crispy. This is so good. I'm telling you, this is so good. Just like I remember making it in college. We have chicken's juicy, not dry, perfectly cooked. The gravy is not too thick, not too thin. See how it flows onto the chicken? That's what you want. Oh wow. Give me a second, y'all. Just bring back memories, that's all. Bring back memories. Wow. Y'all need to try this recipe. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, that's it for this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please comment. I answer all comments. Please visit my other social media outlets. Instagram, Mr. Old School Soul Food. Twitter, Old School Soul Food. Facebook, Old School Soul Food. And my website, oldschoolsoulfood.com. So until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day.